Hello kids, welcome to Kids Study with Rushikaa. Today we will learn vowel E. E is a vowel. E gives a sound. E gives a sound. Say with me, E. Listen carefully. This is a capital E and this is a small e. Now let's us read some E sound words. Egg, hen, pen, bed, red, ten. Repeat with me. Egg, hen, pen, bed, red, tan. All these are examples of vowel E sound. Today we learned vowel E. Keep practicing at home. See you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel Kids Study with Rushikaa for more videos.